so prepared, like an adult prepared. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Thank you very much for joining me today. We are going to be having some fun with these little fellas here. I ordered off of the Amazon, and they look like they're from the Amazon. They are little bamboo cotton rounds, I guess. I call them rounds because that's what I usually use every day, is little cotton rounds. So, but these are made out of bamboo. They're reusable. They're supposed to be better for me, better for the environment, better for everyone involved or not, I guess. So I wanted to give them a try, and I figured while I'm trying them, since it's kind of beauty related, why not show you guys too? Fun stuff, right? First of all, this packaging, hella cute. Came to me next day. Thank you, Prime. Let's do this. Ooh. A little bit of stuff coming off. That's cool. Oh, hey, hi. Okay. I'm just doing too much at once here. Here's the bag. Comes with all the little rounds. There's 20 in here because I wash about once a week, every other week maybe. So on the off chance I do decide to push it to the 2-week mark, I still have a few extra, which is great because I like to push my luck. Anywho, it's supposed to be ultra soft, 100% natural, reusable, all the good stuff that you want in products. Why bamboo? It minimizes waste and it's ultra soft, renewable resource with environmental benefits. What's in the box? 20 little rounds and one cute little bag. Directions for use. Apply coconut oil on face. Use fingertip to melt the makeup. Wet the pad with warm water. Use your best cleanser and gently massage your face. Rinse and repeat until your makeup is removed completely. I'm not going to be doing that. We're going to come in with my Tarte micellar water, and then after that I usually do, I do a quick rinse in the sink. That's why we're in the bathroom. And I come in with my toner, which I am just about out of. So I use 2 little makeup rounds while I'm doing this. And I don't always do the micellar water or the makeup remover, whatever you want to call it. But I figured since we're trying things out today, I might as well do everything. So yeah, we'll do that. I'm not going to be doing no coconut oil, that's for sure. That's for eating. For me anyway. Then, what is it? Recommended soak the pad right after the use with warm water, soap, and leave for 5 to 10 minutes. Take out pad. Apply the detergent. Rub gently on stain. Rinse with warm water. Place the pads in the laundry bag. Put it in the washing machine. And then let air dry. Don't bleach. Do not iron. Do not tumble dry. So, what you're saying, kind of like my, what are you? The little makeup erasers? I have a ton of these little guys, and they all have little black stains on it from my mascara, my eyeliner, what have you. I don't care. I really don't care. I don't. Because it takes the makeup off my face so well. Different colors doesn't bother me. That's why I have the rainbow one instead of the pitch black one. If it bothered me, I'd get black ones. But it doesn't. So, we're just going to keep on keeping on with what we have. I like that this comes in a little bag, by the way, so now I know these won't get lost. And oh my gosh, you're soft. Huh. This is soft. Okay. Comparison time. They're a little bit bigger than my little face cotton rounds that I use now. Both of them have little fibers flying off into space here, which probably isn't good for me to be breathing in, but I am anyway. They're both pretty soft to the touch. This one, of course, is a little bit thicker, but I like this one. It feels like a baby washcloth, you know, like for babies, not a little washcloth that goes into a big wash. You know, it's just for babies. Very soft, very nice. Feels pretty sturdy. Okay, and there's 20 of you homeboys in here? And you're all the same size? Yeah, they're all. Okay. I'm going to take 2 out for the sake of the video because I'm going to be using 2 of the cotton rounds too. So let's just do what we need to do. To try and keep things fair, we're going to do half and half. And I really hope I don't get a breakout after this because will not be happy. But this half will be the bamboo rounds. Bamboo, cotton, reusable makeup remover, whatever. I'm going to call them, for my sake, because this is what I'm going to call them, the bamboo rounds. This side bamboo, this side cotton from Target. I do have makeup on, not a whole lot, just a smidge. So we are going to come in with the micellar water first. Here we go. Actually, let's start with the cotton so we know how things are done. Cotton. I do tend to make a mess with this. Absorbed in there. So that's my face on a cotton round. Well, half my face on a cotton round. Now would be the time where I would just come in and wet and, but one step at a time. One step at a time. Then we're going to come in with the bamboo round. Bigger. Feels a little thinner, so I wonder how well it's going to hold the micellar water. That's about what I do with the cotton. Just a couple. I don't know how you can see how wet it is. It's just around right here. Well, this is my face with the bamboo round. Pretty simple, sort of similar. I mean, one thing I did notice about this that I do like is because there's fibers, I feel like I'm actually like kind of scraping into my skin, and the cotton round kind of just like glides over. So definitely a plus with these for sure. And I didn't even use like the whole thing. This side of my face definitely looks cleaner than this side. Like this side I could still see a little bit of makeup here and there. So definitely pros. I did notice there's a little bit of fallout from the actual pad itself, but I'm pretty sure that's normal with any kind of cloth item. As soon as I wash them, it'll tighten everything up, tighten all the fibers, and it'll be different. I'm just going to come in and wet my face, get all this micellar water off my skin because I don't like the way it feels. And then on to the next step. Definitely some mascara left on the cotton round side. So I had to come in with my makeup eraser and just wiped it off. That's what this thing is known for. Great, amazing, fantastic. And I know you're probably asking, why didn't I just buy the little rounds of these? Because that's expensive. And 20 of these was like $7. So balling on a budget here. Okay, that feels good. Next, we're going to come in with some toner. The last little bit of toner. And just like before, we're going to come in with the cotton round first. Didn't pick up too much, just a lot of dirt. I don't know how well you can see. It's mostly just like a ton of dirt that it picked up off my skin. There's a little bit of makeup down here because it's kind of like pinky orange, which is what I can tell my makeup is. So some of it got left on somewhere. Also, my little zip friend here. Okay, not bad. Now let's move on to the bamboo one. I did notice on my cotton rounds, I have two different sides. Not that it really matters. One is like a tight knit look. The other side is like a quilted look. I think they do pretty much the same thing. I've used both here and there. Like, I don't really care what side it is. The sides look the same. Same. So, here we go. Really nice. Also really nice. I feel still pretty much about the same. I feel like the bamboo, I gotta stop saying this and that. I feel like the bamboo round kind of like pushes the toner into my skin just like it did the micellar water. It kind of pushed and scraped, like it moved it around. Like there's little individual fingers on here just molding it around. Whereas the cotton round, it kind of just chills and it helps me apply it. Like I could do the same thing with a brush or a hose. It's just gonna go on my face. Overall, I was so freaking skeptical with these. I really was. But giving them this honest side-by-side try, and hear me out here, I don't think I'm going to be repurchasing my cotton rounds. I'm going to stick with these guys. See how we do. Whether or not this is going to come out, I don't know. I personally don't care as long as it doesn't affect the use of the product. I don't mind if there's little color splotches here and there. Kind of like my white towels. We have white towels, and for some reason when I get out of the shower, I forget I have makeup on. I go and I put my towel on my face, and of course the mascara and the eyeliner stain the towel. So I have one towel that has many of my faces on it until I switched over to the makeup erasers that I believe I started getting in my BoxyCharm box. Think Glob. Saved so many of my towels, but I destroyed so many of these. It's fine. Honestly, for me, it doesn't matter if they come out looking a little less like this, as long as they're clean and they can do their job and they keep doing their job well. One thing I would probably like is if this came with 2 bags, one clean one, one dirty one. I mean, I probably just put them in the box and stick them in my drawer right here on the vanity here in the bathroom. But I'm worried the box is going to break down eventually. I'll probably put them in their own little container. That's my problem, really, not really anyone else's, so I wouldn't really factor that into when you buy them, I guess. Pretty amazed that this came out as good as it did, honestly. Like, bamboo fibers, we're doing something right here. I mean, we got one planet, we might as well make it work. And this is doing it for me right now. Yeah. Have you guys tried anything similar to this, though? Like, have you tried the bamboo rounds before? And I'm super late to the party because that always happens. And I wouldn't be surprised if this was another one of those instances. But oh wow. Thanks for hanging out with me, though. Remember, if you like this video, hit that like and subscribe button. And then I will see you next time. Remember, we do this every Thursday and Sunday. Bye!